Welcome everyone, I am Funky Gag. I'm here today to show all of you how to solve the flickering issue on Streamlabs OBS using game capture. Alright, I have been using display capture previously because I have been so frustrating because of the game capture flickering issue on my Streamlabs. Well, I'm playing a game and streaming on Twitch. Alright, but actually that makes not much difference using display and game. But whether it's game capture, your frame rate gonna be increased a little bit slightly, about like 1 to 3 FPS averagely. Alright, and trust me guys, it's very simple, but it's only mainly for PC user with NVIDIA graphic card. Alright, with NVIDIA graphic card. Alright, so let's stop talking guys, I'll bring you there. I'll show you how to do it right now. Alright everybody, here we are. So we are using Call of Duty Warzone. I'm gonna just give you guys a demo to how to solve the flickering issue using Streamlabs OBS while you're recording or streaming using game capture. Alright, so now I'm gonna teach you how to do it. First thing, just press Alt on the deck to bring up GeForce Experience here. So in case that you don't know how to bring it up, it's very simple. Let me teach you. Alright, just go to Windows bar, look for GeForce Experience. Alright, you'll see this GeForce Experience, just bring it up. Alright, go to the settings here, on the top right here, on the settings, go to games, go to general. Alright, you'll see something called in-game overlay. On the general tab, in-game overlay, just turn it on. Once you turn it on, you can bring up the GeForce Experience tab by just pressing Alt and deck on it. Alright, so once you bring it up, alright, go to game filter. Remember to go game filter. Okay, so you can see that I have some filter add-on, some custom filter right here. So basically the flickering issue that we have in using game capture mainly is by brightness or contrast, you know, by this thing. It won't have issue when you're using display capture. Alright, so if you want to use game capture to stream or record your game, everything, remember to bring this up. Alright, brightness and contrast is the main factor that causes the flickering issue. You will see I have flicker by now because I'm using display capture. If I don't use display capture, I just can't show you guys the game filter works. So remember, so just take it off, just turn it off, the brightness contrast. Alright, and this is basically mainly for PC user who use NVIDIA graphic card. Alright, so I hope this actually solve your problem there, and you can see like everything goes smooth. Alright, now I'm gonna just turn it switch to game capture. So now you can see no flickering issue for me. Everything go very smooth, very nice, very awesome. So I hope this works. I hope this helps to solve your issue there, because I find a lot of videos that telling me how to solve the flickering issue, but none of it actually helps me. None of it actually solved my issue. This is the issue that I found, and I hope it helps everybody there. Alright, guys, that's it. Hope this video helped you solve the flickering issue while using Streamlabs OBS to stream using game capture on any platform. Alright, if you guys enjoyed the video, do press the subscribe button below. Alright, on my next upcoming video, I will teach how to use voice changer with voice mod and how to install the software. It's very easy. Okay, very easy, and it's even get easier with your Stream Deck if you have one with you. Alright, and do follow my Twitch where everyone can talk about anything, any tech issue. I'm here. I'm very happy to share, very happy to help, very happy to like get everyone thoughts there, to share all their thoughts, everything. Alright, I had the link below, and guys, alright, remember guys, happy streaming. Alright, see you guys on the next video. Goodbye.